Good morning guys, welcome to Motovlog number 20. I am finally back on the Goldy. So today we are going to be riding to Gurgaon. I'm in fact on my way to Gurgaon right now, and we will move on to KMP, and I think the group is planned breakfast at the Radisson in sector 29 Gurgaon. So that's the right plan for today, and I am on my way there, should be there in about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll catch up once with the entire group. Cheers. So I've reached the ambience toll, the meeting point. Let's see where the group is parked. I don't see anyone here. So I just called up Anuj. I couldn't find anyone here at the Ambi toll. So because the G20 that's coming up, there's a lot of cop movement. So these guys have parked ahead somewhere. He asked me to come forward. So now I have to see where they are, because they're not usually parked. They're not at the usual parking spot. So, oh, there they are. Stop them. I thought ride cancelled.
Police has.
मैंने टू करना पैंदा है जब ऐसे नहीं वधिया गल करते हो ना. Hi, how are you? How is that? Good. Long time. How are you? Hi, how are you? Hi. So we're about to roll from Ambience Toll on our way to Manesar and then KMP. I'm going to be riding with Buffy because he needs to refuel his bike. So we'll probably be at the fag end of the group and then catch up with the group at the toll. So that's the plan. Looking forward. Is hopefully should be a good ride. See you guys. Bye. We've reached the Manesar toll. फ्यूल नहीं भरवाया. 2-3 पंप बीच में फ्यूल नहीं भरवाया. 3 तो पंप आए हैं. जब हम पहले निकले थे फर्स्ट पंप, उसमें तो कट भी था मेन रोड से. तो that's enough. बहुत है.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
ये जो फ्लाईओवर का कॉम्प्लेक्स आता है, can you also smell some perfume or deo over there?
You know.
इसमें फ्लाईओवर पे वो perfume deo की smell नहीं आ रही थी.
So I've swapped bikes with Buffy. I'm going to be riding his BMW GTL K1600. I'm going to give it a shot, and he's going to be riding my Goldy. So usually we, at least me and Buffy, we usually don't swap bikes, not with each other, not with anybody else. We're happy with what we have. But I think he was missing his Goldy, and I want to try his bike. Actually, I don't know if he's missing his Goldy or not, but I'm sure he'll start missing it once he rides mine. But I want to try his bike. So I think we're about to push now. Cheers, bye. Wow, this feels different. this is awesome. What a different feel compared to the Goldy. This has got a quick shifter also, which the Goldy doesn't. This one's got 6 gears, that one's got 5. So I'm back on my own bike, I'm back on the Goldy. I test rode Sumit's Buffy's K1600 BMW GTL, like I had mentioned before. Very nice bike, very cool, very nimble. What a pickup, doesn't even feel like a bagger. Love the quick shifter, very nice, everything is excellent. But the feeling you get on this bike while you ride, you sit inside the bike. It's planted, it's got amazing center of gravity, the Goldy. That one you feel you're sitting sort of on top of the bike. It's very nimble. So anyway, I was just testing it just for the heck of it. Not that there are any plans to do anything, but it was nice. It was fun. I haven't ridden anybody's bike in years. As a rule, I don't like to take a bike, someone else's bike. So, but it's fun. It was nice. It was a good change. All right, we're just entering KMP now, and I think we're going to go up till the first exit, take a U-turn, and then head for breakfast. So that's the plan, guys. We'll switch on the camera once we're sort of cruising on the expressway. Cheers. Yeah, this KMP is so picturesque, very pretty. It's fun, you know. You just have to drive about an hour and a half from central Delhi, and you're here. It's nature, it's green, it's lovely, it's very pretty. And you've got the Aravallis also, so you can see these small hills. It's nice, and the weather, very interesting. The weather has become nicer. It's very nice and cool while riding, at least. When you stop, of course, you start sweating bullets, but while riding, it's very nice. The breeze is very nice and cool. So we've reached the first exit. Let's see, are we going to turn around from here? Or are we going to go ahead and go ahead to the second exit? I think that's what these guys are deciding right now. But touch wood, good ride so far. We're going ahead? Or we're turning around now? Yeah, okay, cool. So we're rolling from the Taru exit on KMP, heading towards Radisson Sector 29 for breakfast. Back at Manesatol. Last pit stop before we head for breakfast. So we missed the exit dock in May. We had to take a U-turn on the highway. I think the GoPro was off at that time, but the Insta was on, so maybe you'll see that. Risky maneuver, but fun. We've reached the Radisson Sector 29 for breakfast. So we're done with breakfast at the Radisson. Time to head back home. It's pretty late actually. It's about 10:30 now. I'll see if the traffic situation's okay. Then we'll go by Lodi Colony, Art District, or else we'll head back home. We'll take that call once closer. See you guys. Bye. So I just realized that my GoPro had hung. As in, I stopped the bike and I noticed it wasn't recording. Screen had frozen. So I put it out from the helmet. I thought I'd just shoot. This is the wall that I'd seen last time and I wanted to stop by. Earlier I had, you see that big crowd there, lots of kids. They're doing some shoot. That's why I did the last Sunday on the 10 So very interesting. We've got Mona Lisa also. What's up? So a lot of kids have got collected. I think novice photographers, amateurs. This guy says he's professional. You want to do a photo shoot? I said go ahead.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
So done with Lodi Art District, done with Lodi Colony. Met a bunch of kids. They were from, I think they said an NIET college, Noida. They were from the photography department, and they were out doing their photo shoot for I guess for college or for the club or whatever it is. So sweet guys, very sweet. Had a good chat with them. They asked me about biking. They asked me about me, my journey in motorcycling, group, everything. How to buy a bike, how to maintain a bike, how to join a group. So we had a good chat. Though it's super hot, it was very uncomfortable standing in that blistering heat. But sweet. It was fun chatting up with guys who are generally very nice and sweet, and they are genuine questions, you know. And they were very respectful. They asked me if they could speak to me. They asked me if they could shoot, take pictures of the bike myself. So guys, so the ride's come to an end. Done with that photo shoot. On my way back home. I will see you next weekend. I always say have a good Sunday. My wife corrected me. She said by the time your vlogs come out, Sunday's already gone by. So I should not say that, but I would definitely say have a great week, and I will see you next Sunday or next weekend on the bike, on the other one, whichever one, whatever I get to ride. It's fun. Good days. See you guys. Bye. Enjoy. Cheers.